The first PU syllabus. In this book, there are 5 units. First unit, the diversity in the living world. First chapter, the living world, biological classification, plant kingdom, animal kingdom. Second unit, structural organization in plants and animals, morphology of flowering plants, anatomy of flowering plants, structural organization in animals. The third unit, cell structure and functions, about study of cells. The eighth chapter is cell, the unit of life, then biomolecules, then cell cycle and cell division. We have the total 10 chapters, and in unit 4 there are 5 chapters in plant physiology. First, transport in plants, mineral nutrition, photosynthesis in higher plants and respiration in plants, plant growth and development. Next, unit 5, it is the digestion and absorption. 17th, breathing and exchange of gases, body fluids and circulations, excretory products and their elimination, locomotion and unit motion, movement, locomotion and also movement. In the 21st chapter, it is the neural control and coordination. 22 chapter, it was chemical coordination. It's the first pure syllabus of biology. After it, the second pure biology, it consists of totally 16 chapters, but the reduced syllabus here, but NEET is considered to be 16 chapter. Their first pure biology, it was 5 units, then it continues to 6th unit as reproduction. First chapter is sexual reproduction in flowering plants, human reproduction, reproductive health. Then 7th unit, that was genetics and evolution, principles of inheritance and variation, molecular basis of inheritance, evolution. Next, 8th unit, that is biology in human welfare, human health and diseases, microbes in human welfare, biotechnology. It is the 9th chapter, biotechnology, principles and processes. 10th, biotechnology and its applications. In the 10th unit, it consists of organisms and populations. It is based on the ecology. The first chapter is organisms and populations, ecosystem, biodiversity, conservation. Actually, in biology of 12th, it consists of 16 chapters. The syllabus of NEET is total 16 chapters, but reduced syllabus, that's why it was the latest book, that's why it was only consist of 13 chapters. No, physics. The physics, it's the second PU syllabus, second PU book. Its index consists of, first chapter was electric charges and fields, and these are the points you have to be read. Then chapter 2, it was electrostatic potential and capacitance. Next, it was current, electricity and moving charges and magnetism and matter. Next is the 6th chapter, electromagnetic induction. 7th was alternating current. 8th was electromagnetic waves. It's first sem book, it consists. And next was second PU, second sem book. Bio is only one book there, but physics, it consists of 2 sems and 2 books in second PU only. And the 9th chapter, there was 8 completed. In second sem, we start with 9 as ray optics and optical instruments, 10 wave and optics, and chapter 11 as dual nature of radiation and matter, and the chapter 12 as atoms, chapter 13 as nuclei, and chapter 14 as semiconductors, electronics, materials, devices, and simple circuits. This completes the physics second PU. It's the first PU book, and it consists of chapters as first physical world, it's not very important. And units and measurements, motion in straight line, motion in a plane. And here the fourth chapter completed. And the fifth chapter is laws of motion. Sixth chapter is work energy and power. Seventh chapter is system of particles and rotational motion. And the eighth chapter is gravitation. It's a first sem book, and the second sem book consists of, and it also starts with the ninth chapter as mechanical properties of solids, and then mechanical properties of fluids, and then thermal properties of matter, and the thermodynamics. Next, it consists of kinetic theory, oscillations, and waves. Totally 15 chapters. Now, second PU chemistry book. It consists of chapters as for your second PU only. I have reduced syllabus, and all books were the latest books, and it's not latest. The every lessons are given in the NEET exam, but bio of second PU only I have 13 lessons. In remaining 3 you have to see, and the first was solid state chemistry second PU lesson. It was solid state and the solutions in the electrochemistry. Next, chemical kinetics. Next, surface chemistry, it's the fifth chapter. And sixth chapter, general principles and processes of isolation of elements. And the seventh is the of P block elements. Eighth chapter is D and F block elements. And ninth, coordination compounds is there. Next, the second part as here the syllabus is the 10th chapter, haloalkenes, haloarenes, alcohols, phenols and ethers, aldehyde ketones and carbogenic acids, amines, biomolecules and the polymer. Last one is chemistry in everyday life. It completes the second PU chemistry. And 11th chemistry. First PU chemistry is, and I'm going to find the index but I can't. These pages were very sticky. Try to be fast. Yes, you got dun, 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 dun. Yes, it is. The first chapter is some basic concepts of chemistry. Second one was structure of atom, classification of elements, and the periodicity and properties. And the fourth chapter is chemical bonding and molecular structures. It is the states of matter. Fifth chapter, and the sixth chapter is thermodynamics, and the seventh chapter is equilibrium. For NEET preparation, you have to study thoroughly as word by word. And first PC, second sem chemistry book is it. Each chapter is a redox reaction, and the second was hydrogen. Third and the 10th chapter is block elements, and the 11th chapter is P block elements. 12th chapter is organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques. The 13th chapter is hydrocarbons, and 14th chapter is environmental chemistry. It's completes the 12th and this first PU syllabus, and it is the syllabus of NEET. Only in my books, the biology of second PUC only consists of reduced syllabus as only 13 chapters, but you have to study this total 16 chapter. Yes, complete.